Hello, my name is Crystal Cook, and I'm here to introduce you to a couple of tools that can make it easier for you to do formative assessments in a blended learning classroom. The first one is Book It. Book It is really great. It's a game, or it has several games in it, and you, as a teacher, can create questions that are used in the game, and it's fun for the kids, and it also gives you some great data and an idea of how well your students are learning. So let me show you how you can do this. You can go to Discover where there are already pre-made um, Book-its that you can use, or you can search. Let's say I want to do something about atoms. Here's a bunch of them that pop up about atoms. You can either play it exactly the way it is, or you can go in, make a copy, and make edits to that copy. That's how you can use the Discover option. So sometimes you'll find something that's just right for your kids, and sometimes you'll be like, let me make a few changes. That's when you use the copy mode. Um, the other way you can do it is by creating your own from scratch. So I'm going to just put test here so you can see the process. You can do this manually. You can import questions from Quizlet, or you can import questions from a Excel spreadsheet or CSV. So I clicked on manuals. I want to show you that way. Hit create, and this is where you add your questions. Type in your question, type in your answers, and put a check mark, a green check next to the one that's correct. You can also add images, math equations, or audio. The beauty about Blooket is that even if you don't record audio, it already has the option to do text to speech in the game during the game while your students are playing. Okay, so it's a really great game, and if you have kids with reading issues, they can still participate by having it read to them. So that's two ways you can work a Blooket. The other great thing about Blooket is it gives you data. We always love that. Here's some data. It's not the best data in the world, but it shows every time my students have played a game, it pops up in my history. So when I go to my history and choose one of those games, it'll show how well they did, what percentages each student made, as well as a full class percentage. It also breaks down each question, got it right, who got it wrong. And it gives me an idea of what topics, like this one, only one person got it right out of 6 times. That means I need to review that biosphere concept. Okay, so that's very good formative assessment, give you an idea of where they are, and they enjoy doing it because it has lots of different types of games they can play. So that is Look It. The next tool I want to teach you about is Edpuzzle. Edpuzzle is really cool. Edpuzzle allows you to take videos, either your own video or one you find on YouTube, and insert questions inside the video so that your students can watch it and answer questions to test if they are comprehending what they are seeing. This would be great in a flipped classroom situation where teachers want to introduce concepts and also test their students as the concept is being introduced to make sure that they are understanding. So the video will present the information and then the questions test how well they have retained the information. So let me go to YouTube first and pick a video. Here's one on cell respiration and photosynthesis. And I get the link for that video. Take it back to Edpuzzle and put it in this little search area up here. I paste it there. Now I hit enter and boom, there's a video from YouTube right there. Now I can go in and add my questions. You can do multiple choice questions where you type in your answers, type in your question and your answer choices, then check the one that's correct. You can also do open-ended questions where they will type, you type in whatever your question is, and then it can also allow for audio responses on the open-ended questions, which is really good for kids who may have some writing issues, and you still get a good idea of what they know. And then you can also just add notes, different information you want, or record audio at certain points in the video for your students. This is really great for, like I said, I can imagine a student using these at home, preparing them for their flipped classroom experience the next day. They'll have all this viewed and have a better understanding of the concept the video is presenting. And the teacher has all these tools to allow them to retain and understand the information. So this is Edpuzzle. And I hope that was helpful to you guys. Edpuzzle also has a place where you can add your own classrooms and assign these to your students. So it's a really cool website, a really cool tool, and I hope you all get to use either Blooket or Edpuzzle in the future. Thank you. Have a blessed day.